Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 multiplication. It is in the page number 44 of our maths book. Okay. So students, first of all, we will learn multiplication by one digit number. Okay. Here we have to multiply 1453 by 5. So look at here how to multiply. Okay. 3 5s are 15. So put here 5 and 1 is carried. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25, right? 25 plus 1, 26. So put here 6. Again 2 is carried here. Now 4 5s are 20, right? 20 plus 2, 22. So put here 2 and 2 is carried here. Now 1 5s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So put here 7. Now we will learn how to multiply a number by a two-digit number. Okay. Here first of all we have to multiply 326 by 5. Okay. Then we have to multiply 326 by 4. So look at here how to multiply. Okay. 6 5s are 30. Right. Put here 0 and 3 is carried. Now 2 5s are 10, right? 10 plus 3, 13. So put here 3. Again 1 is carried. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So write here 16. Then put a 0 here. Now we have to multiply 326 by 4. Okay. So 6 4s are 24. Write here 4 and 2 is carried. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So put here 0 and 1 is carried. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So write here 13. Now add this. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 6 plus 0 equal to 6. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 1. So this is the answer. This is how we have to multiply a number by a two-digit number. Okay. So students, now we will learn how to multiply a number by a three-digit number. Okay. Here first of all we have to multiply 52 by 6. Okay. 2 6 are 12. So write 2 and 1 is carried. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So write here 31. Now we have to multiply 52 by 3. Put here a 0. Now 2 3s are 6. Write here 6. And 5 3s are 15. So write here 15. Now write here a 0. Again a 0. Okay. Next we have to multiply 52 by 1. Okay. So 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. Then add this. 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 6, 7. 3 plus 5 plus 2, 10. Put 0, 1 is carried. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So write here 7. So this is the answer. Okay. All of you remember one thing. When we multiply 52 by 6, we have got 312, right? And when we multiply 52 by 3, here 3 is in the tens place, right? So when we multiply a number by a tens place digit, we have to put a 0 in the ones place. Okay, always remember that. And when we multiply a number with the digit which is in the hundreds place, then we have to put a 0 in the ones place and 1 0 in the tens place. Okay. So in this way we have to multiply a number by a three-digit number. Okay. So students, I hope all of you have understood how to multiply by a one-digit number, two-digit number and by a three-digit number. So practice this at your home. Okay. Thank you.